So, hey, welcome to this live Zoom call. We're going to be talking about mind movies. Now, you've heard of vision boards, but mind movies are a little bit different. They're something that are intended for you to be able to watch daily. So, a vision board is stagnant. You put it up on your board, on your wall in your office, your room, or you can have it as like your desktop if you do a digital one. But a mind movie is actually meant to be a movie. The idea is that you put into it videos or photos that are trying to help you foster that positive mindset to help you know where you want to go and why you want to go there. So things that I like to do into a mind movie are my reason that I want these things and what I want to achieve. So that's basically what a mind movie is. It's your vision in a video. So let's see here if I can share my screen. So now here we go. I'm sharing my screen. This is Canva that I'm going to do in. There are other options. I like to also use, if I'm doing it on my phone, InShot. You can also use iMovie on iPhones. There's other options as well. I do like Canva because I can do it both on my desktop as well as my phone. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to hit this create design button. Now I'm using the desktop version of Canva, so yours might be a little bit different. And what I'm going to do, since I want to be able to view this on my phone, I'm going to do a portrait, which means up and down. So I am going to do search for a real option. And that's just going to set me up with the right dimensions to begin with. If you want, you can also do it horizontal and you could choose YouTube as an option and it will give you, set you up with a widescreen version. So really here I am. I've got my canvas all ready to go. Um, you can add in um, so first I'm going to do is I'm going to do now, let's see, my reason for wanting to succeed. And my reason is right here, it's my family. So this is my reason for wanting to succeed. Now you'll see down here, once I put a picture in, this little bar popped up. Now I just add another thing. Um, another reason I would like to actually add in, um, so my son, one of the reasons why I want to succeed is because I want to give my son these opportunities. He wants to be a pro football player. So this is a football camp that I brought him to. So I am going to put in some photos of him at football camp. Oops, not what I meant to do. There we go. So these are two photos of him and actually, ready? This is from that. So here I just simply added in pictures of my son. Um, Now I have other pictures of my youngest and, put a picture of her. Let's see. I'm just floating through here. I'm going to find another picture. I'm going to go with one of these other pictures here. Ready? Here's me and my youngest. And there's the crows still. Then me and both my girls, myself and my husband. All right, now, so this is the major reason why I want to succeed is my family. So I started off with that. My inspiration, oops, and I almost pulled my earring out. My inspiration for wanting to succeed. Now, what other reasons do I want to succeed? Um, I want to be able to provide not just for my family, but I want to be able to provide opportunities for my community. So I actually think that somewhere in here, I have photos that I've taken from my community. Sorry, a lot of these photos are from um, photography class that I taught at my local community college. Photos from myself. I do a lot in Canva, a lot in Canva. Let's see. Well, maybe I can't find any pictures from. Oh, here we go. This is my town, the town that I'm living in currently. These are just some random pictures that I took of the town. This is actually the street that I live on. It's not my house, but it is this actually a few houses down. And this is a photo that a friend of mine, Dan took. Let's see, I'm actually get bigger and then scoot it down. So I want to be able to invest in my town. And so I'm putting photos in there of that. Now, some of the things that I want to have. Now, Eric, I'm going to first tell you. So these are all in my uploads. In order to do that, you hit the upload button, upload file, and you choose them from your computer. If you're on your phone, you choose them from your phone. And once you have them in your upload folder, then you're able to add them into your movie. So now actually what I want to do is I'm going to go to over in my sidebar, I'm going to go to elements. And one of the things that I would really like to own as a result of this is of my business is I would love to own a lake house. So I am typing in lake house and then I'm going to hit photo or I could do video. Um, we could add a little video of a lake house in if we want. Let's see. Not really seeing what I envision as a lake house in videos, but let's maybe photos. What do we have here? Like that looks like a beautiful lake house. Not exactly the style that I would love, but it is a beautiful lake house. Some vision, some the view. I find being near the water just so relaxing. I absolutely love that. Um, I live in an area where, you have beautiful fall foliage, so I'm gonna add this one in here. Let's see, ready? We're gonna take that. And notice how I'm just moving things around so they fit. Let's see. What else? Um, well, you get the idea. You can take photos of things that you envision. You could even take, ready, we're gonna say money here, okay? We're gonna take photo of photo of money, and you can put in the amount that your goal is at this time. So let's say these crows, they don't want to give it up. Um, you know, you want 10K months. This is your goal right now, 10K months, right? Maybe you want to shoot for something even bigger. Um, you could shoot for, let's see, you could take this and, all right, so you want to start off with 10K months, but in 1 year, so 12 months from now, and what you're going to do is you're going to choose, okay, what do I want to be making 10 months from now? 10 months from now, it's just construction, just so you know, just construction, if you can hear that. I want to be doing, instead of 10K months, I want to be 20K months, right? So these are different things that you can do. I suggest having, photos of things that you love, things that you want to own, things that you want to buy, experiences. Let's think of some experiences. I would love to go on a cruise. My goodness, these crows, can you hear them? Okay. So here I just added some pictures of a cruise ship. We're gonna add that one in because that will fit nicely at the bottom here. Ah, oops. Right. So here's pictures of cruise. My youngest really wants to go to Disney. So I would love to be able to take her to Disney. Um, Cinderella Castle. Okay. I don't know if there's probably, let's see, what do we have for, okay. Disney is copyrighted, so they probably don't have very much here. Sorry. Okay. So my daughter absolutely loves this. She loves princesses. That doesn't really look like a Disney font to me. Um, Sorry. I'm gonna go with all and go Cinderella. I'm actually surprised there's not more for Cinderella because technically Cinderella is not copyrighted. Let's not. We're gonna go with her shoe. All right. So I would love to be able to take my family to Disney because that is something that my youngest would absolutely wants. Someday I would love to go to Paris. So I'm gonna put an Eiffel Tower, although I'm gonna take that one away because it's not one of my favorites. Let's go with this. I'm gonna do a video of the Eiffel Tower. Okay, I'm not loving that. How about this? All right, so there we go. Now I have a video with the Eiffel Tower in it. And so you get the picture here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add in transitions. So I'm going to do transition. What do we like here? So you can just look at them. If you mouse on a desktop, you can mouse over and it will show you what it looks like. I'm kind of like in that circle wipe thing. Shut up. I'm like in circle wipe. So now what we're going to do is in and we're going to go on in, but between apply between all pages. So now every single one of these has it. And just to show you, here we go. This is what the video would look like. You can change the time if you want them to go by faster. So now I can watch this video. I can look at my inspiration for why I want to succeed in my business, what I want to experience and what I want to own as a result of it, the amount that I want to make. And the great thing about this especially with Canva, is that I can go back and I changed my mind on, like I achieved $10,000 a month. So I can go ahead and change it and I can update it. Now this one is really long, so I'm just going to cut it down. So this is how an easy way to cut down on the video. So it's that simple. Then when you're all set, you're going to export it. I'm not going to export it on here because I created it for my phone. Um, but in order to do that, you would just hit share, you would hit download. Let me move that. MP4 is suggested. All pages, that would be the entire video that we just made. And then you're going to hit download. It's going to start downloading it. If it's on a phone, it just automatically downloads it to your albums. And if you're on a desktop, it will start downloading it and then it'll ask where it wants to be saved to. So it's super simple. So this is a great way to visualize what you want. And it doesn't take very long to make. I can watch it on my phone daily, however often I want to watch it. And it gives me a real sense of what I am working for and why I'm working for it. So I highly recommend doing this. If you want to do a vision board, that's awesome too. I'm actually a very digital person. Actually, I like writing and I like writing things out, but when it comes to visualizing things, I like digital type things. And I'm not like a copy, like cutting things out of magazines and pasting it to a board kind of person. So this is a great alternative and I think it's a lot of fun. So I hope that you guys enjoy that and that you make your own My Movie. If you do, let me know. I look forward to, hearing what you've done.